you're gonna have an amazing night. And for that, there's two things you need to do. First of all, you need to know that God never sleeps or never slumber. Slumber means nap. God never nap. So you know that day and night He loves you, He cares for you, and He's working on your behalf. He moves stuff around in the universe. He just brings people towards you. He will just affect your destiny because He's Almighty God and He's got all the power. So while you're sleeping, God is looking after you and He's prepared the ground for you to reach your destiny. So that's really important that when you go to bed, you close your eyes knowing that God is working on your behalf. The second thing that really helped me to sleep is to follow His instruction. God asks us to cast our burden on Him because He cares. So every time you go to bed, before closing your little eye, you know what you do? You just check what is bothering you, what is annoying you, what are your fears, whatever it is. You just cast everything onto Him. You say, God, I'm scared for my children because I don't know how to protect them. God, I'm scared for my future because I don't know what's the next step. Everything is closed. God, I'm scared for my exhibition. How will I exhibit? How am I going to make money? How am I going to pay the bill? How am I going to stay young and beautiful? Whatever it is that is troubling you, cast your burden on God because He cares. When you do that, I promise you're going to sleep like a baby. So tonight, it's time to change your routine. Remember, your daddy in heaven that loves you and cares for you and that has all the power is still looking after you while you're sleeping. And in a second, cast all your anxiety, cast your burden, let it go. For me, when I go to bed, I just have this list of things that are bothering me and I just push send. I've got this invisible computer and I send my anxiety to God, knowing that everything is going to be okay. I do not rely on my own understanding. I just have a childish faith. I know that He look after me, and the same way He will look after you. So that's amazing. And if you watch this video and you're not really familiar with this Jesus and God thing, but you want to have a good night, you want to have a God that looks after your future, after your children, after your destiny and your health and your finance and everything you need, it's very simple. Just ask Jesus to come into your life. Ask Jesus, just like that. Ask Him to come into your life and then watch the difference. Watch what's going to happen. Watch the feeling of His life and this deep understanding that He loves you more than anybody could ever love you. This is an amazing adventure. So don't wait. Just ask Jesus to come in your life and see all the blessing, the miracle, and the transformation. So I wish you all the best. This is a message from More Than Art, and my name is Titane Laurent. Bye for now.